One thing Hungary is popular for is being on a geothermal plate, where a lot of places open up these baths that use the geothermal energy to heat them. And we've come to this one today. I don't know what I can't record because, you know, people in bathing suits and stuff like that, and kids and all. So I'll try to record what I can, but hopefully I'll just get some of myself in this swimming pool. Maybe I should have brought a towel. Let's see if we can do some outdoor pools. Yeah, that's fine. It's hardly out of my depth here. Right, that's a fountain, that's grand. That place was awesome. I'd recommend bringing a towel and bringing flip-flops, because you need to pay extra for a towel. You don't get the money back with a scan there. I don't know if it's winter, but a lot of the things were closed down. But I did enjoy it. I wanted to rush that. Oh, well, I didn't want to rush. I wanted to enjoy it, but also continue on with my day. Get a little bit closer. Translate. Lovely chill spot. Very little traffic. All the things I do for you guys. I'm already sweating and I haven't even I'm sweating just looking at this thing. I'm walking very slow because yesterday was. The worst part is this isn't even out. Many more. And even more steps. Almost there. Was it worth it? I don't know, still more steps to go. Very beautiful though. You fuckers. What is that one? Let's get these steps in. The amount of influencers here today. Haha, got a cup. Come on, it's the taxi driver. The fake one. Oh yeah, now it's fucking plastic. Trump.
Di qua.
Oh, fermo, di qua, fermo.
Ma posso prendere anche gli altri due fratelli?
Hello. Is it okay to sit outside?
Yeah, of course. Tables are over there.
Alright, thank you. We have an old school menu here. Like flip up the pages. Man, that's cool. This guy, nicest guy ever. So, if my thing goes viral, make sure this guy gets some credit. Lots of credit. Actually, all the credit. Right, we got our burger and we got our coleslaw and our ketchup and our chips and no other sweet potato chips. There was no cutlery here on the table, so it's kind of awkward. Like let's remove those chips with the thing in it so you can get extra dip in it. Oh. It's interesting. That's not your normal mayonnaise or something. We're going to come back to that one. Very nice, very nice. Right.
That's the right.
Yeah. Piece de resistance. Burger.
What?
This is the burger there.
They called me. They think me around me.
There's like taco chips on the ground or something here. Very unusual. Doritos. No, you don't automatically like this a burger fat. Oh, that burger is juicy as fuck. Oh.
Sir, everything was good? You felt fine?
Sorry, what's your name?
My name is Balu. Welcome
Balu.
on the board, sir.
Thank you very much.
Where you came from? Which is your country?
Ireland. Sorry, Bob. When you get a chance, can I get the check? No rush. No rush.
It's
I've
okay.
still loads to go.
Thank you so
Take your
much.
time. Thank
Everything
you.
is on the way.
Thank you. Got him popping on. My stuff is just left over there. Lots of people around. You see how many people are walking by. And they know I can't run after them because I'm fucking fat and lazy. And yeah, no, I'm like my knee. Yeah, my knee is bad.